Hi guys, and welcome back to another Scout the Defender YouTube video. Now last month I was at the Billing Off-Road show and I was invited onto the stand with the guys at ORE. I was in great company with Jack, aka Boris the Defender, and Chris from ORE was also there with his new 2.4 Puma rebuild. Both of those guys had something in common in the fact that they both got a demand exhaust system fitted to their trucks. Now Chris's was especially interesting because his is also a 2.4 Puma and it sounded so good with kind of a really rich burble that I had to go out in it. So I'll overlay some footage now of when we went out in Chris's truck and just how good it sounded.
So Zach, your Scout the Defender, as you know, has just popped in to say hello on a unit, fit some new goodies ready for the billing show, and he wanted a quick spin in our new 110 we've just built. And obviously, he's quite impressed with that engine note, demand engineering. Sound on. Exhaust.
Yeah. Expensive trip.
Expensive trip, Zach.
Now, having gone out in Chris's Puma, I knew that I needed to get one of these exhausts. The exhaust note was so much kind of more powerful, had a really nice burble to it, and I knew that I needed to fit one of those to Scout. So I headed over to the guy's stand at Billing to talk all things exhaust. With that, it was time to take the newly purchased exhaust to the guys at LR Motors who installed it for me. The install's really easy. It took them best part of about an hour and it was all fitted and ready for me to test out. So now I'll overlay some footage of what Scout sounded like before and then we'll go for a drive to test out the new exhaust. Guys, we've done a bit of a before and after of the car on startup and also after a few revs, so it's only best to go out for a little drive and show you kind of what it's like when we're pushing on a little bit. Before I get into that, I'll just talk a little bit about the system that I've got fitted. So demand do several options depending on your Defender and also the characteristics that you want from your exhaust. I've gone for a full 3-inch system that's tailor-made for the Puma Defender. Now the full 3-inch system has a sports silencer, well, I've fitted a sports silencer within that, so it's not too shouty because at the end of the day, Scout is my daily driver. Now that was one of the things that I was a little bit nervous about before I opted to get the system. I wanted it to be kind of characterful, but at the same time not shouting all the time, not annoying the neighbours, and that's exactly what I've got. So the full 3-inch system sounds brilliant when you're pushing on, but with that silencer it's not always screaming and shouting. The other thing that I was a bit nervous about was the fact that some people that I spoke to who fitted aftermarket exhausts found that the exhaust can be a little bit whiny and drony when they're on long distances, especially when they're on kind of the motorway droning along at 70 miles an hour. Now I've had the demand exhaust fitted for a little while now and I've not found that at all, which is one of the kind of things that I wanted to check with Dan when I was at the show, just to ensure that, you know, when I'm pushing along, when I'm doing those motorway miles, I'm not going to get that droning noise that can be so annoying on some of the other aftermarket exhausts. So with that, I'm really happy that I've gone for this system. The other thing to note is that you can also go for branded or unbranded on the exhaust tip itself. I went for branded because I think the demand logo looks great and it shows that you've kind of got something a little bit saucy on the for the exhaust, but you can also go unbranded too, and they've got all the other several finishing types for the exhaust tip. point that I wanted to mention also was I was a bit nervous that I was going to get bellows of black smoke coming from the exhaust once the new system's fitted. That's definitely not the case, and something that I'm really happy that's not happened. So good. It's so much kind of deeper than the original exhaust, and also you get that kind of, when you shift down or you shift up, that like induction kind of noise from the exhaust, breathing all that air in, it just sounds so good. Hopefully the GoPro has managed to just capture that sound. It's sometimes quite hard to capture the audio on these cameras, but as you can see by the smile on my face, I'm so happy with the results of the exhaust. As I say, I've been driving around with it for a while, and it's kind of that real nice balance of that rich burble on idle, when you're pushing on, that really raspy sound that's kind of more characterful and more in keeping with generally the look of a truck and what you'd expect to come out of the sound of a Defender, while being kind of not too shouty, not too aggressive, especially kind of as this is my daily driver. I'll leave a description. In the description box below, I'll leave a link to the Demand website. On there you can configure all different types of exhaust. As I say, I've obviously got the Puma system fitted, but they do TD5 and I think they do TDI2 and different configurations of those setups. So I'll leave a description in the, I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check those guys out. So there you have it, guys. I'm sure you agree, Scout sounds a little bit more aggressive and more in keeping with the style of the truck. I'm really happy with the results, so big shout out to Dan and Laura at Demand for the prompt service and really guiding me into knowing exactly what exhaust that I'm after. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to give it a like and subscribe for plenty more videos to come, and I'll see you in the next video.